post on Sunday mornings. Today I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different from what I normally do. If you've watched my previous videos, you would know that we have been painting our house. So we've got a couple of shelves that I want to upcycle, paint them, give them just a little bit of a revamp. So I'm going to be taking you along with me today to do that. I have pretty much got everything here that I need. I've given this a wipe over to get any dust and dirt off. Paintbrush for this. I have not used this before. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm gonna give it a go. I'm only gonna use one coat. It says to let it dry for 24 hours. I'm hoping it doesn't take that long because I want to get this project finished today. So that, masking tape to tape up all my little bits to keep them black. And then I'm using chalked ultra matte paint in linen white. We use this stuff to paint our fish tank and it came up really nicely. We've got some left, so we're going to be using this today. Alright, let's get this party started and get this beauty looking a bit better than what it is.
So first of all, I am giving it a wipe down, getting off any dirt and dust, and then taping it up. I've got my trusty little helper here who wants to stick sticky tape all over his Lego figurines.
This is called Penetrol. It makes paint stick to almost anything. So this is so that you do not have to sand back surfaces before painting. We have bought this for our skirting boards. We want to paint them white. They are currently like a red woody color. So basically you apply one to three coats depending on how porous it is. The more porous it is, the less coats. And obviously if it's got quite a shiny surface, you would apply the 3 coats. So what it does is penetrates the wood so that when you paint the wood, it sticks to it. And it also makes it easy to stop and prevent further rust. Apparently.
I am now on to doing my first coat. I probably should have poured this into a container, but I was being super lazy. Also, I found that the paintbrush that I used for this was not a very good paintbrush. When we go to do our skirting boards, I think we need to get a softer brush. These brushes were had quite hard bristles, and because we're not going to be removing the skirting boards, I feel like it would just splash a lot of the product everywhere. So just applying a thin, even coat. Then doing the same on the other side. If you are into these types of projects, you'll need to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. We have an exciting new project coming up of an inbuilt computer table that we've done, and I am so excited to show you guys. Applied one coat. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to go and do a couple of bits and just check on it and see if it feels dry. As soon as it feels dry, I'm going to be getting my paint on. I want to get this project done today. Alright, so it's been about an hour. It feels pretty dry. I am not one to have patience, so I'm going to give this a go now. I'm not sure if it's going to affect the finish of it, but doing this was better than doing nothing, better than not sanding it at all, I guess. So I'm pretty confident it's going to turn out well. So I'm going to put my first paint of this on. Like I said, it's a chalk paint, super easy to use. Make sure you give it a good shake.
Shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me.
Now normally I'd get in my super ugly clothes right now to do painting, but I don't really want to be posting a YouTube video in my painting clothes, so if I get this on me, I'm going to be pretty pissed. So I'm going to be super careful. I'm always super careful for about the first like 5 minutes, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm over this already. Just that's basically how I go when I'm painting.
I am now on to my first coat of the chalk paint. I was a couple seconds in and realized that I did not tape up correctly. Leave a comment below if you are finding it as therapeutic as I am watching the paint go on. Something about it feels very calming to me.
Before I do the second and final coat, probably a couple of hours to let it dry properly, and then we'll finish it off.
Oh my gosh, look at my hair. I may or may not have taken a nap, and I may or may not be sitting there in my pajama bottoms. I thought I straightened myself out. So I have now given it its second coat. It is looking absolutely amazing. Now I have some spray wax left over just to give it a top coat, which I'll do once it has dried fully in a couple of hours. So now I'm just going to be giving it a spray with timber wax spray. This just protects and retains the natural colour of the timber. But anyway, it just seals it all and makes sure it doesn't scratch easy, I guess. So that's it now, just wait for it to dry and then it's ready to hang back up. I'm pretty impressed with it, and yeah, I'll show you where I'm gonna put it. So the shelf is back up and now I'm going to be putting all my things back up top. I've changed things around a little bit. I am hoping to make this a bit of a jungle shelf. I want it full of plants. So yeah, I'm gonna pop a few bits up there. I'm thinking for one of my next couple of videos, I'll be showing you my care tips for my plants. If that's something that you're interested in seeing, then please leave a comment below. 5 of my plants at the moment are unfurling new leaves, and it's just so magical to watch them give life to little babies. Since I bought this one a week ago, it has a new leaf that's popped out. It's so rewarding watching your plant do that because it makes you feel like you're doing something right, or they're in the right spot in the house. So yeah, if that is something that you're interested in seeing, please leave a comment below. This is a string of bananas that got sent to me. I have not managed to pop it in some soil yet, but I've just got it in some water for now. In here, my Galathea Picajux, how we say it anyways, is unfurling a new leaf there. So that's it guys, that is how I have upcycled my shelf. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified. And I will see you in the next one guys. Bye!